Hi guys, welcome to Run Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing these closet lights that I got. Really nice. You can use them for your closet, you can use them for under the cabinets, anywhere basically you want to use them, you can. Comes with these magnetic little stickers that you put on the bottom, and then you can stick them anywhere basically, and you can take these out and put them in different places if you want, or leave them in the same spot, but it's also convenient for charging. So when it needs to get charged, it comes with the Type-C charger, and you can take it out and charge it. The charging station is right here, and you can just charge each one at a time. Really simple to use. It has 3 modes: night mode, day mode, and always on mode. So when it's on night mode, it'll turn off after a while, and then if it detects motion, it'll turn on. During the day mode, the same thing. It'll be off. Once it senses motion, it'll turn on. And then always on, it's just always on. So like right now it's on night mode, but since we're moving, it's not turning off like that one turned off. Right now, if I put my hand, it'll turn on. So really nice. Then also a good thing is it has brightnesses. So this is the lowest, medium, another medium, and then bright. So that's really nice. It also tells you the battery percentage on here. And then to change different modes is on right here on the side. So you're always on, night mode, day mode, and always on. Great product. I have in the closet, I have in the bathroom because of the kids, especially in the middle of the night they want to go to the bathroom. It's better to have these, that way no light is constantly on. It'll just turn on when they go. So great product. I highly recommend it, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.